Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Fluency Alley. I'm Anna.
And I'm John. Hi, friends. How are you today?
John is always so happy. Me too. The sun is shining, and I feel good.
Me too, but I'm also a little shy today.
Shy? You? Why?
Because today we talk about small talk, and small talk makes many people feel nervous.
Oh, yes, very true. When we stand next to someone, in the elevator, in a line, at work, we think, what do I say? Help!
Exactly. My brain says, run away!
But small talk is not difficult. It's just saying hello, like a normal person.
Yes, you don't need to be funny. You don't need perfect English. Just be kind.
So today, we'll listen to 5 real-life small talk moments at work, in the elevator, at the supermarket, and even with a neighbor.
Listen carefully. We'll show you how to start a conversation, keep it going, and sound natural, even if you're a beginner.
And after the examples, we'll break down the magic behind them. Ready? Let's jump in. First scene, the office kitchen in the morning.
Morning, Sarah.
Morning, Mike. Coffee saves my life today.
Same. How's your week been?
Busy, but good. My little boy started school this week.
Oh, nice. Anything fun planned for the weekend?
Yes, we're going to the park. He loves the swings.
That sounds great. Have fun.
Thanks. You too.
Second scene, waiting in line at the supermarket.
This line is so slow.
I know. I feel like I might finish a whole book here. How's your week been?
Not bad. I started running in the morning.
Nice. Anything fun planned for the weekend?
Just rest and pizza.
That sounds perfect.
Third scene, in the elevator.
Hi, third floor?
Yes, please. Thank you.
I was just thinking, Friday is so close.
Yes. Anything fun planned for the weekend?
Sleep. Lots of sleep.
Same here.
Fourth scene, meeting your neighbor outside.
Hi, Alex. Taking the trash out?
Yeah, and somehow I always run into you when I look like this.
Same here. How's your week been?
Pretty good. My plants are finally growing.
Lucky you. I can't keep a plant alive. I kill every plant.
Just keep going. Practice makes perfect.
Last scene, a morning walk with dogs.
Morning. Your dog is adorable.
Morning. Thank you. Yours is adorable too.
How's your week then?
Busy at work, but okay.
Same here. Anything fun planned for the weekend?
Just a long walk with this guy.
That sounds perfect.
We're back. Did you like those conversations?
Very much. They were so easy.
Yes, they sounded very natural, right? Let's talk about why they worked and how you can do the same.
Tip number 1. How's your week been? It's like a magic key. So easy, so friendly.
And you can change it a little too. How's your day going? How's everything? Or even, how's life?
Tip number 2. Anything fun planned for the weekend? This question is a lifesaver, even if the answer is, I'm just going to sleep.
Sleeping is always a good plan.
Tip number 3. Make a small comment about what's around you. This line is so slow. It's cold today. Busy morning, huh? It feels natural, not robotic.
Yes, and compliments work wonders. I like your bag. Your dog is so cute. People love that.
And did you notice nobody spoke perfect English? Simple words, small laughs. Same here. That's real English.
If you're just starting, small talk can feel scary. That's okay.
Keep it simple. Short sentences are perfect.
Smile. A friendly smile helps a lot.
Practice with yourself. Say the sentences out loud.
Listen and repeat. Copying is okay when learning.
And don't worry about mistakes. Everyone makes them.
If you're shy, just try one question. Just one.
You don't need 10 minutes. Even 10 seconds is brave.
confidence grows slowly, like Alex's plants.
Just don't kill them like Emma.
We believe in you.
Every small conversation is a big step.
Okay, friends. Here's your super easy homework. Say one small talk sentence to one person this week. Just one. You can do it. And if you want to try more, here are some extra ideas. Did you watch anything good on TV lately? Have you tried any new food recently? Isn't the weather crazy today? I love your shoes. Where did you get them?
So many ways to start. And remember, small talk is just practice. The more you do it, the easier it gets.
Wait, before we go, let's give a special shout out to our beginner friends. If you're just starting to speak English, small talk can feel scary, but we have some super easy tips for you.
Yes, tip number 1, keep it simple. You don't need long sentences. Even just, "Hi, how are you?" or "Nice weather today" is great.
Tip number 2, smile. A friendly smile is like magic. It shows you want to talk, even if your words are simple.
Tip number 3, practice with yourself first. Try saying small talk phrases in the mirror or record your voice on your phone. It helps you feel more confident.
Tip number 4, listen and repeat. If someone says, "Busy day?" you can answer, "Yes, busy day," or "Yes, very busy." Copying is okay when you're learning.
And tip number 5, don't worry about mistakes. Everyone makes them. People will be happy you tried. Mistakes are part of learning.
So remember, friends, start small. Use easy words, smile, practice, and have fun.
You're doing amazing. Every little conversation is a big step.
We believe in you. Now go out and try your small talk superpower. And if this video helped you, please click the like button. It makes us super happy.
And subscribe. We make new videos every week just for you.
Yes, and write in the comments, what small talk question will you try this week? Or share your own favorite. We read every comment, we promise.
We love you so much. See you next time.
Bye-bye.